So here's an air handler in which we're doing an in-depth cleaning, which includes pressure wash, sanitize. But here's where the pre-filters go, and you can see why this is being done. Coils don't look bad at all because they were being protected by some really good pre-filters, but it's still a little dirty. This air handler has 6 compartments. You can see right here, this is the air handler. All the compartments that we will be cleaning, each and every one. Look how dirty everything is. That's where the final filters are, right there. This is the final compartment. The back of the final filters are. So we're gonna give it an in-depth cleaning, and I'll show you what it looks like after. So the in-depth cleaning is just about complete. We still got to put the media up here. It's media just right before the pre-filters, just to knock down all the big stuff and keep the area clean. But look, clean filters, everything has been cleaned and sanitized. Brand new filters. Floor is just the paint's peeling, but other than that, everything's clean. Coils are clean. 6 compartments here. Everything's clean. The floor is just all peeled from the paint, but everything is clean. You guys are getting this last compartment cleaned. Everything's nice and clean. Clean, brand new filters. Completely sanitized, clean and sanitized. There you have it, in-depth cleaning of air handlers.